I'm Zack with FTx, and today we're looking at ways to boost those slow sale times that we all seem to have. So let's dive in. So all stores have days, and particularly hours within certain days, that are dead or slow. To see these, we can run an hourly sales report, and it's going to show the difference between our peak times and our slow times. So to combat this, we've added more granular filtering to our discounts, uplifts, and loyalty promotions. What I mean by granular filtering is, instead of just a start date and a stop date, we can now filter on certain hours within the day. So that allows us to do things like set up a happy hour Tuesday. So on Tuesdays from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., we can enable steep discounts and additional loyalty points. Once this is set up, we can also do a push, email, or text notification to those loyalty customers, reminding them of these discounts or loyalty points that they can earn. So let's turn those red hours green and set up schedule-based promotions. So that's it for this FTx Fact.